that'll be tonight or tomorrow because we're almost out of water, but we might be able to stretch it. We'll see though. But since I've been back in the car, I ordered this dress on Amazon a while ago just because dresses are like an ultimate hack when you live in like a mobile trailer or whatever, whenever you're in the woods essentially, because it's just super easy to throw on. Public showers, it's really nice because you don't have to do that awkward dance of like not getting germs. Dresses are just amazing. If you have to pee in the middle of the night, like anything, they're amazing. But the neckline on it was really weird, so I just ended up hemming it. Or not hemming it. Hemming is the bottom. I don't know what this is called. What is this called? Would that still be a hem? I don't know. I'm not much of a seamstress, so if you know, you should tell me. But yeah, I just changed the neckline on it, so I like it a little bit better. You can kind of see the stitches, but whatever. It took like 30 minutes, but pretty cool for like a $6 dress. We're back at the trailer now. We made some easy one-pot pasta. We decided we are going to go into town tonight just because we don't want the mushrooms to stay in the car for too long. Granted, it's nice and cold outside. We just would rather get them sold, and we also need to pick up some water and some other random stuff like that. And we forgot soy milk last time, so our coffee hasn't been nearly as delicious as it normally is.
Nice have that.
Absolutely. And we're gonna go get that soon, and we'll take you guys with us. Good morning. So I totally forgot to film our errands last night. We just ended up going to Bi-Mart and we got some rain pants. They were from $30 to $22 on sale, so that is excellent. Bi-Marts are awesome. Some of this stuff is like not a good deal at all, but some of it is a crazy deal. We don't have them in Colorado or Montana or anywhere that we've seen, so those are great if you're in Oregon or wherever. And then we got some groceries and we got in a shower, which was amazing because the time before that we tried, we forgot our towels and our flip-flops, which are both necessities for public showers. So yeah, it's nice not being smelly. Right now Tanner is checking out a patch near us. It's a super duper rainy day. Like, there's some days that it's pretty much just too shitty to go out. And it's kind of one of those days today. We have to go back into town tonight, which we try to avoid doing, but our mushroom buyer just let us put our mushrooms in the cooler last night because going to town and doing the rounds took way longer than it should have. But yeah, it's the nature of the beast, and it's nice that we don't have to go into town except for every couple days now. So yeah, we'll see how the rest of the day goes.
Ah, tough girl. Tough puppy. You cute, Lewis.
Here's our DIY toilet paper shelf. It's always there for when you need it. Halfway through cleaning out this closet, and then I am going to have some of this tea when I'm done. This is the best tea in the world. If you ever see it, get it. And also, if you're ever in Boulder, Colorado, go tour this place because it's amazing, and their teas are like $2 a box there, sometimes even cheaper. Tanner and I have been twice, and we literally have like 30 boxes of tea from them that I consolidated into bags and jars. Here is the after. Everything's nice and tidied up. The rain finally slowed down a tiny bit, but it's been freaking nuts today. Just crazy, like sheets hitting the roof. You can hear logging pretty far away, but it's crazy how loud it is. I don't know how loggers aren't deaf by like age 30. Yay, everything's nice and clean once again. I love it though. There's nothing more satisfying than getting your home all nice and shiny. I don't know if I showed you guys yet, and I know it doesn't look pretty, but this is what we had to do on our cabinets to keep them from opening while we're driving. We put the fancy little RV thing on there, and it just isn't enough, so we just wrap them with wire. But a way that you could do this would look cuter is if you did like a cute knob, and then the one on the bottom could just be like a small little, here, I'll show you. One of these types of hooks on the bottom, and it would look a lot cuter, for sure, than the screws. So we are headed into town now to sell the mushrooms that Tanner put in our buyer's cooler last night, and then